how to set a moving wallpaper on your laptop or computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to go and create a live wallpaper. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu. You can then search for the Microsoft Store and go and open up this window. Now click on the search box and just go and search for Lively Wallpaper and press search. You can then click on this app here and go and install Lively Wallpaper. Now wait a couple of seconds while this downloads to your computer. Once it's finished downloading, go and open up the app. And here you'll find some free live wallpapers you can start using straight away. So let's say I wanted to use this matrix kind of theme here. Now once you've selected it, it should automatically apply it to your background like so. Now you can also go and use your own custom live wallpapers as well. Now to do that, you'll need to open up an internet browser, type in motion background and press search. You can then scroll down to this website, which is motionbgs.com, and you can go and download any of these free live wallpapers. Now once you've found one you like, you can simply scroll down and then you'll need to go and download the MP4 file. Once it's finished downloading, open back up the app, click on the plus icon, and then you can go and press choose a file. Now go and select the video file that we just downloaded and then select OK. You can then head back over to your desktop, and as you can see, our live wallpaper has now changed, and that's how to use moving wallpapers in Windows 11.